Littlefield class in Wilbur Middle School, 4th hour. This is the bird feeder. This was made by my classmates of Antoine, Kyrie, and Colin. All three of us made this big bird feeder that could sell up to almost $3 to $15. This has techniques that wouldn't be seen in normal bird feeders. This is a funnel that you could put the bird feed in, which has a limited space, as if you fill it up too much, it will spill out. The bird feed goes to the bottom as it has multiple funnels that go down. It has 2 holes that the birds can feed out of, and like I already mentioned, the 3 funnels. It also has this string so you can attach the trees. 3 ways we can make this better is we can add like more protection to it, more like layers so it has more layers for birds to eat off of. A better way to hang this, and we made this out of 2 2-liter bottles, bird feed, paper to cover the hole so it wouldn't spill out, and tape, as you can tell by the massive amount of tape. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Have a nice day.